Hey, great day to you. So how to import data from TikTok Shop to QuickBooks Online? Well, down in the description of the video, I have a really cool app called Link My Books, and this app can help you do just that, import data from TikTok Shop to QuickBooks Online. Free trial is linked for you down in the description for this app, and also a really cool coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. So basically what you can do, as previously mentioned, you can connect your TikTok Shop and import data to QuickBooks Online, but also you can connect your Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, eBay, or Square, or WooCommerce to QuickBooks Online, and even to Xero if you need such a thing for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Again, free trial in the description with the best discount. And look, the cool thing about Link My Books that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. So we have created some tutorials for you to ease the process for you. There are 2 videos down in the description. The first video is a video that shows you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers, where myself and Daniel Little, the CEO and co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z, how it all works, so you can make the most out of it. By the way, in the description, there's the free trial, and with that free trial, you also get free onboarding. So if you have any questions about Link My Books, if something is not clear, the guys from Link My Books will be glad to help you and will be glad to kind of guide you along the way. And with a free trial, even this free onboarding comes. So I think it's a pretty cool deal. Again, it's all in the description. And the second video we have for you is, again, myself, Vova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, co-founder and CEO of Link My Books. We show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. So no matter if you're a small accountant or a bigger accounting firm, it's good for you as well. Link My Books can handle small kind of operations and bigger ones. You can streamline your operations in your accounting firm, hopefully save time, and hopefully, I cannot promise, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but hopefully you can even make more money because you will be able to onboard more clients, because you'll be able to save more time. So it's all explained in the video in the description, 41-minute video where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. In the description, free trial, free account of Link My Books, and also the best discount, 50% off for 3 whole months for Link My Books. Check it out. Also, you get a free onboarding. So in this way, you'll be able to make the most out of Link My Books. Let's go. Let's keep growing our businesses. Hopefully, you are going to have like a smooth process with your business, easy growth. And whenever times get a bit hard, then still keep going, because if you have like a good goal, hopefully, and you understand where you are going, I believe one day you'll get there. And once you get there, celebrate it, enjoy, and remember to enjoy every day, actually. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Yeah, why not to enjoy every day, even when it's a bit hard?